Welcome back to Bloom Graphics. On this Adobe Dimension video, we're going to be talking about the toolbox. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, as well as following me on Instagram at Bloom Graphics. So today we're going to be talking about the pan tool. It will help you move around the canvas through the camera, going side to side or up and down. You can also choose to pan underneath the cursor. This will give you a different angle to look at the canvas. The next tool is the dolly tool. If you right click on it, you see the different views that you can move the camera in. You'll be able to zoom in and zoom out throughout the canvas. Using the dolly tool, you'll be able to frame where you want your camera to go. At this moment, it is centered at the screen. You can also get the cursor to be the center view, which will help you zoom in and zoom out from a specific point. Field of view is one that you're going to use a lot. This will help you move the camera lens. Using field of view, you can focus on the smaller detail in the image. The next tool is the zoom tool. This will help you move around the canvas while zooming in and zooming out. When you right click on that tool, you see the different options you have to zoom in and zoom out. You also have the marquee zoom, which will help you zoom in a specific section. You can also set your zoom effect up top on the canvas. This is set up by percentage. This also helps you select just a selection or the whole canvas to fit in the frame. The next tool is going to be the hand tool, and this will only work if your canvas is zoomed in. The hand tool helps you move around the canvas to go to different parts. It will help you move around the canvas up, down, side to side without changing the scale of the image. Here I'm going to show an example by changing the canvas size, and then afterwards I'm going to be dragging myself around the canvas. And now I'm just going to zoom back out to fit the canvas in my frame. As you can see here, zooming back out does not fit the canvas into the frame. So I'm just going to go back and put fit to canvas. And now we completed the whole toolbox. And now we're going to be moving on to the next step of Adobe Dimension in the next video. So thanks for watching.